Naija FM 102.7.
Shmurda with Cash App. I know do that Jamelo. He gets Lanta on top, and the one and only Likon on top. I always wonder, Likon an artist or not just your guy when you just feature to push his name? I just want to
I'm an artist too, and I'm a guy from the hood.
Oh, so, the hood.
Yeah,
okay, just like you carry along.
Yes, exactly. From Okoko, we be Okoko boys.
Boys,
so
yeah. Okay, Okoko, Michael.
Yes.
That be the same place when this guy Akporo for still.
Yes, so na same place.
I see one at the Chris. Anyway, we get Bella Spooner for the building right now. A musical artist, record producer, owner of 2 successful EP. The second one, they on the way. They successful already right now for inside with studio. So in the next few minutes, we'll be yarn with an.
I want for let's ask him. You don't hear about Bobby Shmurda, right?
Yeah, sure. I don't hear about Bobby Shmurda.
Now, Shmurda. Now, you inspire that your name first.
Because when you did J, now you take blow.
So I need to know.
Okay, I did like Bobby Shmurda when that year. So I just turned Abiola to Bella. Then I conceived the Shmurda. Don't turn Bella Shmurda.
You see the Shmurda.
Now I just want to know if they tell you before the release of Vision 2020, say Bella, now your time to shine when you release this song, you go believe.
I don't go believe because actually I just the work they do my thing.
They go your underground.
Yes,
Lasso, right?
Yeah, from Lasso. You know, I'm a student of Lasso at the time. So
but you don't graduate already.
I don't graduate you.
So you be alumni now.
No, hold on. We need to first ask, can you graduate yourself or the school graduate you? Because guys, you go make money, only you go graduate.
Now the two, everything works together.
So how you take combined schooling and music together?
Easy, But shout out to my classmates, my lecturers. They all understood the matter. They were there for me. You understand?
What you go say the instrumental for Vision 2020 to blow? You know what they talk? I remember, I think now 2018 or 20 when you released that song.
2019.
2019.
Yes.
I remember. I think around December. Now Fumbi come with me. So, but hear this boy's song. You never for sure let me did that and original version play. The way I hype you be like say. Now your brother. So when I listen to the song, I be like, so this body talk about this thing. Okay, we know what you will play for radio. You get. Then before you know, remix fall outside. This song they everywhere. You get because why share it go me when we say they believe you right from time. You get me. Big shout out to Fumbi because some person must draw your attention to somebody music you get and Fumbi do justice to that one. So I want to know wait till you feel say you do right on top that Vision 2020. I just want to know.
Like every other artist, I sing, I write. You understand? So my own, I just believe in and grace. See me. There's nothing I want write where person never write.
Right before,
nothing I want sing where no person never
sing before.
So I just believe I'm blessed, I'm graced. So
okay. Olamide also will not feel discredited because he play major role in that Vision 2020. And someone will also do who underground how Olamide City help you set up one kind. Those ones are true, right?
Yes, definitely. Shout out to Olamide Badu. He was there like a father. Everything he could do for everybody signed. He did this for me without any paper.
So why not sign you? I mean, no green sign you.
No, we say no green. He just tell me say Bella, look, you go blow, you go make come. No worry, you no need signing. So shout out to Olamide. That was a big inspiration for me.
You like say now from there, from when Olamide tell you can't take release your own record label or something.
Yes. Dangbana Republik.
Yeah.
Talking about Dangbana Republik, I get my oversight of Dangbana. So because when you take fall outside, be like say you be day one management or more. I don't know whether my record deal. Then when you fall out, we can't say you can't release music through Dangbana, not Bella Shmurda again. So I want me just clear right now. You get issue without your former management or record label because since then you never released Bella Shmurda music now under Dangbana. I know what that one mean when it comes to copyright. Like the whole year Bella name, so you don't feel release music under Bella, but you got use Dangbana. So what really happened?
Okay, I'm clear for my former label. Yes, I did cash up with my name. Yeah, that's Bella feature Zlatan. So this time I just want the label to be known, Dangbana Republik to be known.
But you don't get you with your former record.
No, I don't get you everywhere. Good, no, yeah, wow.
So normally somebody here Dangbana. They say they think of something else. So where you carry that name of your record label from?
Majorly my friends in school call me Dangbana because I'm this kind of stubborn guy. I know the year what
you be rascal. No, you be rascal, not be stubborn.
So majorly Dangbana means someone strong-willed. You know, someone strong-willed, someone that does whatever he wants to do in his own way. You know, so you back call them Dangbana. You understand?
Yeah, I know that word.
So Dangbana Republic, that's my label. So every fan of Dangbana is a Republican.
So you plan to kickstart official political party very soon?
No, I just do for the music for my fans. You know, so direction good day.
Okay, sorry to cut you short. For someone like you now, you know, normally. Good to the judge book by its cover because the moment somebody hear about Bella Shmurda, you think about Dangbana itself. But even when you give us that song, word,
yes,
and you enter spiritual realm.
What's it really
happen?
So
what's inspired that
you
word?
Get because I know say you did. So is it that you meet new dealer, the dealer doing stuff like I gotta go spiritual?
No, really, you know. I just feel say there are some certain things I gotta let people know. Their perspective, music. The way we see this life is different. You know, and the way I'm seeing it is different. So my own perspective, I'm trying to let it out. I'm trying to awaken people with this word song. You know, there are so many funny things happening. You know, it's good with some people, it's not good with some people. So I'm just saying this out for people to have their choice. You know, any which way you want go, just know what you do.
You know, at a point, Nigeria has been no one really take you serious based on the type of music we don't do before this one. But the moment you drop this jam, it be like say they can't get different view on top you. I don't know if you feel that too.
Yeah.
Let's be sincere. Like you got the video where you release now where it cause controversy. Say why Bella Shmurda go let expose women body where you use who actually use sellotape take gum there. Now you have been at somebody do.
Now director, I just reach the show for video.
But who draw that concept now you?
He's the director. Shout out to Naija Effect. You know, he did everything, all the planning on Rush. So shout out to him. Yes.
Now for that song, you review a lot of things. It be like say your view quite different from a lot of Nigeria's view. We won't talk about religion, then the homosexuality and all the whole arrangement. So what will be your take on top religion?
I believe there is God. You know, this religious thing for me came to separate us.
I believe there is God, but this religion comes to separate us.
And there's one God, you know. So there can't be two religions. It's funny.
God bless you for that one.
You know.
There's one God.
I'm a believer of God, but definitely not into religion. You understand? Yes, you understand.
Wait, since you did serious like this since Zona, since when you start to be smoke?
You know, as per history student, you know, there are some things I don't learn.
History.
Yes, history student.
I see where the whole arrangement.
Yes. Okay. So there are some things I don't know, I don't hear, I don't learn, I don't read myself. So it's for us to decide. You know, if we want to serve God or you want to serve your pastor, you pick one.
Well, what about homosexuality?
Everybody have their opinion, they have their choice. I'm not against anybody. Because it's a funny word, you know. At the end of in the Bible, Revelation, at the end, they all said all these things. So you know, so it's just for us to see what is happening. All these things are awareness for us to know that it's really coming to the end, man.
At least I know they're surprised about Bella.
No. Some people, you know, most time we always rate artists by the kind of music when they drop, give us until they do otherwise through that same music. They will come to this guy not be just one way. This guy now deep thinker. This guy now person when they think psychologically. You get.
Now coming to the one way carry you come gone. Your high tension.
Yes.
See, talking about the high tension. Since that you don't talk, say when you come,
no, you go pay royalty. Me not based on able to do, but I advise them come on like attention. But you go pay royalty.
You don't talk, so you go pay royalty.
We'll share that money because those million views where they say up and down, we'll cut out. Where your manager? Bring paper, come, we'll split everything now.
Coming to high tension point.
Yes, 2.0.
Yeah, the first one we said you give us now 1.0, right? We still expect 3.0 soon.
And hypertension be next one.
That's album.
Yeah, that's the album.
Hypertension.
Yes.
We don't dive hypertension to your music in Jesus' name. Amen.
So how many tracks there for this your album?
I have 8 tracks.
For this EP,
for this new EP. I have 8 tracks, and this track, this EP is continuity of the first one. You know, is showing Bella in a new light, in a new form. You know, a more experienced Bella. You understand?
We don't sit down later.
Yes. Okay. So that's it.
And it's available right now everywhere.
It's available everywhere.
Which of the song they do pretty well past right now?
Everything is doing pretty well. Shout out to all my fans. They love everything. Like I have no bad comment yet, you know. And even when they sit down, they look say waiting they go talk, but my mind rests.
They never talk any negative.
No. And that's Bella Shmurda for you.
Well, out of these tracks, which one you like well personally?
Personally, I love all the tracks. They are my hard work. They are my sweat. They are my days of no sleeping.
Wow.
So there's no one that is bigger or lesser. I love everything.
Okay.
You know.
So sharp right now, because we don't reach time not too much based on the time management arrangement. But I like I be tattoo person, but I just notice a whole lot of tattoo right now, which I never see before. I really like what they inspire your tattoo, because every tattoo actually get message or gets inspiration. Most start from the one for your eye, because Olamide get that same one, and because Olamide help you put that one there.
That one Desha.
But wait till really inspire that one for eye, because I
yes, Olamide inspire that one. You know, both sides. Yes.
Not be so now they the same.
No. We gather day everywhere. We gather day the same
this
thing.
Guy reject my question but answer at the same time.
We gather day everywhere, you understand?
So now they get that one for eye side.
Now everybody will like how they get them. If you like how you get some yourself, me I like how I get some.
Okay, if I like how you go get some.
Get some is a few words.
Question for road.
Who ask the question? I didn't do them.
Anyway, I thought I know Bella. Okay, I don't know. You they plan to get more for your head?
Definitely, I'm a fan of tattoo, but while I was growing up, my mom wouldn't let me. So that's why it's only few, because I still have to go home these days, and she will be like, Exactly. So you understand, and you know, respect is reciprocal. You know, to some extent, my mom, she's a deity to me.
Oh wow! Your mom, where she in Lagos?
Yeah, she's in Lagos.
What about your dad?
My dad is late.
Oh, sorry about that. Oh, so big shout out to your mom.
Are you the only sibling? Are you be the only sibling?
Only picking.
We be 9.
Wow.
I'm the last born.
Hold on.
And tomorrow I lay na goat na my neck cow.
You go because now you be like the first born right now.
You don't get better.
No, you go buy one for us. Make carry family home. You buy food run for us.
Everywhere good, everywhere.
But sharp, just a quick one right now. How you go tell look growing up with that much 9? Your pa marry only one wife?
No, like 3.
3 wives?
Yes.
Okay, your mom side how many children?
Man, will be 3.
Will be 3. Oh, and I can be last.
The last of the 3 wives.
Of the 3 wives.
Or just of your mother.
Everybody.
That means that your mom be the last wife when your third wife.
Somehow.
Oh, okay.
I don't know the story. Now them know.
No, okay. But how growing up be for you?
It's not funny. You know, we have to jump pack.
But you also shape the kind of person you be right now.
Yeah, exactly. Because I have a lot of brothers who have to scold me. You know, I have a lot of people who have to shout on me, and you know, at some point I used to have this inferiority complex. You know? So it's a big deal for me. But shout out to everybody.
But right now you do okay now. You don't break out from that.
You know, at some point, you know, they say 1 minus 1 is equal to plus, Abi. Minus plus minus is equal to plus. So inferiority plus inferiority make me crazy. You know?
Now you lead to the Dangbana, right?
See, this is when they speed, they take me back to where this. Bella, keep me. Anyway, sharp right now.
I think I just asking on top of that same attention. Who and who will be the person who collaborate with you, or not just your own work?
Just me, man. Just me. You know, I have a lot of collaboration.
But you never release
them. And I felt it's time my people to feel me alone. You understand? I've had right now, I'm one of the artists with the highest collaboration in Nigeria.
Yeah, no joke.
Yes.
One. Serious. I feel confirmed that
so
one.
majorly I feel it's time my people to just feel me only just Bella Shmurda. That's why I did it on my own. But shout out to everybody. I have a lot of collaborations on my album coming.
Okay. That's your album. Now this is your business with respect, huh?
Anytime, man.
Hypertension, right?
Yes.
So if you short cause I know say you get freedom to release music right now because they decide whether to release or not, no record label and whatever. But you plan to settle down with record label later, or you just want to do your things?
If I have bigger labels, you know,
you go certainly grab her.
But for now, it's
just
me
do your thing
and my label, you know.
Okay, relationship wise, we never hear baby mama from you. I don't know if you don't give Gebele, you try keep and low key, or you don't boy, you try keep and low key. So which one you do inside?
Now we got a day now.
We are not gonna deal with you. I'm not dealing with you, Bella.
Majorly it's just about the work, you know. Before the relationship, I just get money to push everything.
But before you blow, you get a relationship, right?
No. I just get friends, man.
When you just vibe with.
Enjoy ourselves.
Okay, once body just switch, you just call out. Now you see the meditating now, be.
They maintain everybody plus my fan.
I like the way you respond.
This guy now.
so smart.
This guy now bad
You're
guy.
so smart.
This guy now bad guy. You answer my question.
You're
This
so
time no answer.
smart. Where you see yourself in 3 years though?
I see a better Bella. I see a bigger Bella.
Okay.
You know, I see Bella doing things in a better way.
Settling down too.
Settling down.
Or you go join the baby mama assembly.
No, you know, this thing is about choice. You know, so I can.
But what will be your choice?
My choice, man. You know, I'm a one woman person. Yeah, but definitely I have, you have chicks now,
When the office say that your chupi, you come boss say, I don't want to spoil the belly. I be you can't accept her. And the success this guy don't get baby mama already.
All right, you don't tell us of waiting to expect apart from the high tension 2.0. You don't tell us about the hypertension already. But this your high tension 2.0. Yes. Which of them the video don't actually come out?
I have Party Next Door out, which is doing well. You know, according to my iTunes, it has overtaken Cash App.
Oh, for the stream, so Mado.
Yes.
I calculate that one. How much I collect.
So, you know, Far Away is doing well too.
Yeah, we go knock that one soon.
You know, and I have Out There to motivate my people.
Yeah. Out there, man.
Champion.
So
which one you want to break people phone? You get one want to break people phone.
Party Next Door.
Party Next Door. This boy wants to spoil people phone. People they complain. It start one challenge. People go draw for the phone. Go knock.
But you know, really say I never see any video. Nobody don't.
They're not trying. I think the one person will done it posting not break your phone.
No, maybe the person we won't can't do that and kind one because they use the not too expensive phone.
Where
they use like iPhone.
That means the video not go clear. Anyway, sharp. We don't know with Bella since they pay for body say we gotta let her go right now. But before you go, I just like make you drop words of encouragement. A lot of people they look at you, a lot of youth right now. So any way if you encourage them, drop and then also let us know. I don't know, you get followers, so I'm not sure say you need more followers. Now we need. But
so majorly to everybody out there, not just my fan, to whoever you are, know who you are. It's important. Know what you really want to do. It's funny. If it's right, let it be right. If it's left, let it be right.
And go the left or go the right. Not they confused.
No. Okay. You understand? And find a little time to enjoy. The country is frustrating.
Now one and they don't go Ghana most of the time.
So please make sure in your leisure time you enjoy yourself.
Okay. Lastly, sharp. You did see the open for collabo right now? I believe so. But how much should they charge for collabo? I hear something.
Now my manager they talk down on me.
You not get how you not go know Bella. And I hear say for show you they charge. How much? Give us an average you they charge for show.
No, in dollars, yo.
In dollars, $10K. Breed, do I'll head you. I'll come on. Talk, how much they charge for show?
Just contact my manager. They will set all these things,
I know the top of me. I know I want to be you. Because anyway, you see Bella right now. Bella. Anyway, thanks, bro. We wish you more success on top of this your current high tension 2.0 when you promote, and also your upcoming album when you already hype, which is hypertension. The album we suppose maybe this year or next year we never know, but anytime you're ready, you give out to us. Thanks, big time once again. Anyway, that one we go back small break right now. We won't go far away, but we'll still come back with this song Bella Shmurda. Enjoy.
Naija FM 102.7.